Okay, so today we're gonna make a airsoft paper pistol. Okay, so all I need are 3 rubber bands, any size, but I prefer these. Pair of scissors, tape, plasticine BB, and 3 pieces of paper. So get one paper and roll it any size you want, but don't make it small. Because now you'll see and the words will explain it. So tape in the middle, like this, right? Then grab another piece of paper, this for the side, and roll it smaller, but not too much. Okay, I think this is gonna be good.